Listen closely, seeker of truth. There are moments in life when it feels as if abundance has turned its face away. Effort is given, yet return is small. Time is spent, yet results feel stolen by unseen hands. You ask silently, where did my fortune go? Why does prosperity not stay with me? But understand this first. Nothing in life is truly stolen. It only becomes hidden when awareness is lost. The abundance reset begins the moment you stop chasing what is outside and start observing what is within. You have not been abandoned by fortune. You have simply been disconnected from the conditions that allow it to flow. Abundance is not a distant treasure guarded by fate. It is a river, and when a river stops reaching you, it is not because the river has ended, but because your path has become blocked. What blocks it? Clinging to fear, thinking in lack, repeating thoughts of not enough, acting as if life is shrinking instead of expanding. These are not punishments. They are patterns, and patterns can be reset. Now, listen carefully. To pull back what you call your stolen fortune. You do not fight the world. You do not beg destiny. You do not chase shadows of quick gain. You return to alignment. First, clear your inner space. A mind filled with comparison cannot recognize its own blessings. A heart filled with resentment cannot hold new opportunity. So sit with yourself in silence, not to escape life, but to see it clearly. Second, act without desperation. Desperate energy repels stability. When you act from calm intention, even small actions begin to multiply in power. Wealth, opportunities, and connections respond to clarity, not chaos. Third, release the identity of loss. As long as you believe, I am unlucky, or my fortune is gone, you keep walking in that direction. Change the identity, and the path changes with it. Say to yourself, I am not returning to abundance. I am recognizing that I never left it. Finally, give without fear. What you hold tightly in fear becomes smaller. What you share in trust becomes greater. Life expands for those who stop treating it as something to lose. The reset is not a ritual. It is a shift in perception, and in this shift, something powerful happens. You realize nothing was stolen at all. You were simply looking away from what was already flowing toward you. So today is not about recovery. It is about remembrance, not about chasing fortune, but about returning to the state where fortune naturally finds you. Stand steady in this awareness, and you will see what you thought was lost was only waiting for you to return to clarity. And in that return, abundance begins again, not as a gift from outside, but as your original nature revealed once more. Abundance is not truly lost, only blocked minus. What feels like stolen fortune is actually a disruption in awareness, not permanent loss. Abundance does not disappear from a person's life in a single moment. it slowly fades when awareness becomes clouded. When someone believes they are unlucky or that their fortune has been taken away, they begin to create an inner environment of fear and limitation. In that state, even opportunities that appear are either ignored or not fully used. The mind starts to focus only on what is missing, and this constant focus strengthens the feeling of lack. Over time, it seems as if success is slipping further away. But in reality, it is attention that has shifted away from possibility. To reverse this, a deep inner reset is required. This begins when a person stops identifying with loss and starts observing their thoughts without judgment. In this awareness, clarity returns. Instead of reacting with panic or comparison, one begins to act with patience and intention. Even small steps, taken in calm awareness, begin to create meaningful change. Life responds more to inner stability than to outer pressure. When actions are not driven by desperation, they become more effective and aligned with real growth. As the mind becomes clearer, old patterns of fear weaken, and a natural sense of direction returns. In this state, abundance does not feel like something to chase, but something that gradually unfolds again. As perception shifts and inner balance is restored, inner mindset creates outer reality. Minus thoughts of fear, lack, and limitation block the natural flow of opportunities and prosperity. When a person feels disconnected from abundance, the real shift needed is not outside in the world, but inside the way they interpret life. Most suffering around loss of fortune comes from repetition of thoughts that reinforce limitation. The mind keeps replaying past failures, missed chances, and comparisons with others. And in doing so, it builds a strong emotional belief that something valuable has been taken away. But this belief is not truth. It is conditioning. To begin the reset, one must first create distance from these thoughts and recognize that they are mental patterns, not identity. When awareness separates from thought, space opens up, and in that space, new possibilities can enter. A calm and steady mind becomes capable of seeing opportunities that were previously hidden by anxiety. At this stage, action becomes more natural and less forced. Instead of chasing results with urgency, a person begins to respond to life with clarity. This shift in energy changes outcomes over time because life tends to reflect the internal state of the individual. When fear reduces, decision-making improves. When comparison ends, gratitude increases. And when gratitude increases, perception expands. In this expanded perception, abundance feels closer and more accessible. Not because the external world has changed instantly, but because the inner lens has become clean enough to see what was always present. Reset begins with inner clarity, minus silence, self-awareness, and letting go of comparison help clear mental and emotional blockages. A person who believes their fortune has been lost often carries an invisible weight that influences every decision they make. This weight is not physical, but mental, built from repeated thoughts of scarcity and regret. When the mind is occupied with what went wrong or what is missing, it loses sensitivity to present opportunities. Life continues to offer chances in different forms, but they go unnoticed because attention is anchored in the past. To reset this condition, the first step is acceptance of the present moment without resistance. Acceptance does not mean giving up. It means seeing reality clearly without distortion. Once clarity is established, energy that was previously spent on worry becomes available for constructive action. In this state, even simple tasks regain power because they are no longer clouded by emotional heaviness. Gradually, the mind starts to trust itself again. This trust is important because doubt is one of the strongest barriers to progress. When doubt weakens, initiative naturally increases. A person begins to move forward without needing perfect conditions. This movement creates momentum, and momentum begins to shift outcomes. Action must come from calm, not desperation. Minus stable effort attracts better results than anxious or rushed decision-making. True abundance does not respond to pressure. It responds to alignment. When a person tries too hard to control outcomes, life often feels heavier, as if everything is resisting their effort. This resistance is not punishment, but feedback. It shows that action is being driven more by fear than by clarity. Fear creates urgency, and urgency clouds judgment. In such a state, even good decisions may lead to poor results because the inner foundation is unstable. To reset this, one must return to simplicity in thinking and behavior. Instead of forcing outcomes, attention should be placed on consistent, mindful action. Each step taken with awareness carries more power than many steps taken in confusion. As the mind slows down, perception becomes sharper. Problems that once looked overwhelming begin to appear manageable. This shift allows energy to be used more efficiently, and wasted effort naturally decreases. With time, this creates a sense of inner stability that does not depend on external success. From this stability, better choices emerge without struggle. Relationships improve, opportunities become clearer, and timing feels more natural. The key transformation is internal, moving from control to trust, from urgency to presence. In this space, life is no longer seen as something to fight against, but as something to move with. When this shift occurs, abundance begins to return, not as sudden luck, but as steady flow. True abundance comes from alignment and giving. Minus when you release fear, change identity, and give without scarcity, life begins to flow naturally again. Abundance becomes steady again when a person learns to let go of the identity of lack. As long as someone repeatedly tells themselves that they are unlucky or that something valuable has been taken from them, they keep reinforcing a mental state of limitation. This identity acts like a filter through which every situation is viewed. Even neutral events begin to feel negative, and small challenges feel like proof of failure. To break this cycle, a deep inner change is required where a person stops narrating their life through loss and starts observing it with neutrality. This does not happen instantly, but through continuous awareness of thoughts and gentle correction of perception. When the mind is no longer occupied with labeling everything as good or bad, it becomes more open and flexible. In this openness, new understanding begins to arise. Actions become less emotional and more intentional. Instead of reacting to life, a person starts responding to it. This shift creates space for better decisions and healthier outcomes.